That's Play-Doh, you old man.
It's not Play-Doh. It's so that mommy can get some nice teeth. I gotta... Never mind. It's not Play-Doh, okay? Hi, you guys. It's Tasia Shanae here, and I'm coming to you to give you a video of my impression kit process for the company InstaSmile. So, stay tuned. So, I looked at numerous videos. I read all the instructions that come with it, just so that I can make sure that my impression kit is top notch, okay? So in the impression kit, they give you a tray for your upper teeth, they give you a tray for your lower teeth, and they give you a various amount of putty so that you can have, you know, you can practice just in case you mess up. I'm not gonna lie, kind of scared to do this because I get so antsy. But you know what? We're just gonna get started and get this going, you know? Let's go. Okay, so first things first, it says to read all the directions. They have 1 through 15. Number 1 is you want to start with the upper tray. Now the upper tray is a little bit wider than the lower tray. And this is the one that we start with. You want to start with clean hands. I already cleaned up my hands. And you want to get both the white putty, which is right here, and the purple putty. Knead well for 30 seconds. So I'm going to take the plastic off of that one. Okay. You know, it might be a little easier if you don't have, you know, nail extensions on. You might could get this out a little quicker than I can. Oh, okay. So that was 30 seconds. Get started on putting it on the tray. So now it says fill front of the tray for 10 seconds. Remember, we're working on the top tray. And just to see if it fits in my mouth correctly, which I should have done before, let's just open up our mouths and place it in. You want to roll this into an egg shape and place it in front of the tray. And I can already feel it getting hard, so let me hurry up and do this. So it says put it in your mouth for 3 minutes. Oh, guys, it got hard already, so I have to do another one. Guys, it's so hard. It's so hard. Dang it. Round 2. So I'm using the one that says spare putty. Now, Tasia, we have to get this right, okay? We can't be messing up, okay? Do not do what I did. Do not wait forever, you guys. Okay, so I read the directions, and that's probably what was my downfall. Not reading the directions beforehand to you guys before I started kneading. So now we know we need to knead for 30 seconds. Put it in an egg shape, do an egg shape, and then put it in the tray, and then place your teeth in there for 3 minutes. That's what we need to do. This thing will get very hard, so you need to make sure you do it right and quickly. And that'll be that. Place it at the front. don't know if I did it right or what. Guys, look at my little teeth. Cool. I'm not sure if I did it right or what, but I will be sending in what I did to InstaSmile. So that was the top. Let's do the bottom now. Take the bottom trays, measure them to see if they can fit in your mouth. Good to go. So now we do the same thing that we did with the top tray. Instead of doing an egg shape, this time they said do like a sausage shape, I believe, because this one is very, very narrow compared to the upper portion. So it's already been 30 seconds. Whoa. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to send in both of these photos to the InstaSmile customer service team just to see if I did good or did bad, and so that they can let me know whether or not I need to redo it or if I'm good to go to send it in. Hi guys, I'm back because I made a mistake and did the impression kit wrong, and I actually asked them to send me a more narrow compared to the trays that they sent me before. So let's see what they said. InstaSmile sent me these narrow trays, but as I'm trying them on, I realized that the narrow tray for my bottom teeth is too narrow. So I'm going to have to use the blue tray that they originally gave me. This one works better. However, the green tray, which is the narrow tray, I'm going to use that for my top teeth. So. All right, here we go. What I did that was messed up before was that I didn't really make it into one cohesive color. You see how right here it still has white. So I'm trying to do it as quick as I can, 30 seconds. So we're good to go. It's one cohesive color. So now what you do is roll it into like a little sausage shape. Remember, you have to work pretty quickly because this stuff will get hard on you. We're gonna do the bottom one first. Put it right on through. Put this on for 3 minutes. Put it in. Whoa. They can see these teeth. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Okay, it's Tasia Shanae on all platforms at TAIJAHSHANEE. That's me. Thank you for tuning in. Have a good day. Mwah.